3 a.m. blue fridge light, staring like it knows my life. Take out menus on the door, still I'm digging past the drawer. Cold box smell, cardboard thrown, grease-stained map to lead me home. One last slice, folded gold, tastes like better days. Rewarmed hope, leftover pizza in the fridge, calling my name from the second shelf. I should be sleeping, but I can't resist. Crumbs on my shirt, I forgive myself. Every day, every small win ends the same way, box half open. Leftover pizza in the fridge, feels like somebody saved me a bit. Text you up, you leave me read, but this crust never left me on red. Microwave spin, tiny sun, 30 seconds till I come undone. Cheap red sauce, midnight cure, all my big thoughts turned to blur. Future past, both on hold. Got this moment, got it warm, got it bold. Leftover pizza in the fridge, calling my name from the second shelf. I should be better, but I can't resist. Crumbs on my heart, I forgive myself. Yeah, every breakup, every soft wind ends the same way, box half open. Leftover pizza in the fridge, feels like somebody saved me a bit. Maybe I'm a little like that slice that almost got forgot. Still here waiting in the quiet, still good, still got a spot. Leftover pizza in the fridge, calling my name from the second shelf. I'm kinda messy, but I still exist. Cold or warm, I'm enough myself. Yeah, every date night, every small win ends the same way, box half open. Leftover pizza in the fridge, feels like somebody saved me